In this tutorial I will show you how to create an account on the video conferencing site Zoom, so let's get into it. To create an account on Zoom, first click on Sign Up Free. Then enter in your birth date, and click on Continue. Next, sign up for your account. You can do it with SSO, Google, Facebook, or email. I will use my email to create an account, and then click on Sign Up. If you want Zoom to send you emails, click on Confirm. If not, click on Set Preferences. I will just unsubscribe from all emails. Now I will go to my email account to activate the Zoom account I just created. If you are signing up because of school, select Yes, otherwise select No, and click on Continue. Next, type in your first and last names, as well as a password, and then click on Continue. If you want to invite some friends or coworkers, type in their emails here. Perform the CAPTCHA test to prove you're not a robot and click Invite. I will just skip this step. That's it, now you have a Zoom account. Next, you can start a test meeting by clicking on Start Meeting Now. Download the Zoom installer and install the software. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on Test Speaker and Microphone. Here you can now select the correct speaker device. Next, select the correct microphone.
Hello.
You can also join with computer audio if you are having a presentation or sharing something from your computer screen. Here you can now see the invite link and passwords that you can share with your friends and coworkers to enter the Zoom meeting. That's it for now. I will probably make a more comprehensive tutorial soon on meetings, but this should get you started with Zoom. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.